You know, I notice sometimes you have these women, you'll do a basic hormone panel, and then sometimes you'll take a deeper dive and you'll do something called a Dutch panel, a Dutch test, which is a 24-hour or 48-hour
Urine.
urine test. And you'll really look at the cycle. And an interesting crossroad between Dr. Sarda and myself is, I've really dedicated the balance of my lifetime to studying genetic methylation. You've dedicated your entire lifetime to studying, the female body and delivering babies. But interestingly, there's an intersection here because there's a gene mutation called COMT, COMT, catechol O methyltransferase, and it appears on the Dutch test, and it's part of this estrogen metabolism. I think it sends estrogen down the E2 pathway, and if that gene mutation is present and you're not supplementing for it, isn't this a part of the reason for the rise, the accumulation of estrogen not being rid from the body?
Right. So if you do not get rid of your estrogen, you will literally reabsorb it and recycle it. So you also, even more important than that probably, is the fact that if you don't go down that right pathway, you will go down a more dangerous pathway in estrogen. So in other words, we start worrying about estrogens that change DNA, estrogen dominance, and then you start worrying about breast cancer, uterine cancer. Estrogen needs to clear the healthy pathway, and it needs to be eliminated.
Right.
And when you have that COMT SNP, that COMT gene, you need to pay special attention to that. You need to make sure you have your nutrients, your B vitamins, and things like that, because you need to help clear estrogen. And you also need to watch what kind of estrogen you're consuming.
Right.